Welcome back to All Auto Cars, the home for everything with an engine. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most rugged and capable off-road workhorses of the future, the 2026 Sisu Polar 6X6. This is not your average truck or tractor, it's a beast built for the harshest terrains, toughest tasks, and heaviest loads. So if you're into military-grade toughness, extreme capability, and bold engineering, keep watching because the Sisu Polar 6X6 is going to impress you. Let's start with the visuals, and wow, the exterior of the 2026 Sisu Polar is pure intimidation. Built in Finland, Sisu has always had a reputation for rugged vehicles, but this 6X6 layout takes things to the next level. It's designed primarily for off-road transport and extreme logistical tasks, and it shows. The six-wheel drive chassis gives it that monster stance, with a heavy-duty suspension setup and thick off-road tires that look ready to chew through snow, mud, or rock. The front end features a reinforced steel bumper with integrated tow hooks and optional engine, perfect for recovery operations and field work. The grille is aggressive yet functional, with wide ventilation to keep the powertrain cool under heavy roads. Visibility is great thanks to large, flat windows, and the cab is mounted high to maximize ground clearance while giving the operator a commanding view of the terrain. Step inside and you'll see that the Sisu Polar 6X6 doesn't sacrifice comfort for toughness. The interior is surprisingly modern for a vehicle built for utility. The cabin features ergonomic seating with thick cushioning for long hours in the field. It seats too comfortably in the front, with optional bunk space behind the seats depending on the configuration. The dash is built around durability but includes a full digital instrument cluster and a central infotainment screen that supports GPS, diagnostics, and real-time traction data. The controls are intuitive, even with gloves on, and you've got physical switches for all essential functions, including axle locks, differential settings, and lighting systems. It also comes equipped with high-end HVAC for both hot and freezing climates, and the noise insulation is solid, keeping the cabin quiet even when the engine is working hard. Speaking of the engine, the performance of the 2026 Sisu Polar is where it really shines. It's powered by a Euro 6D compliant diesel engine developed in collaboration with Mercedes-Benz, specifically the OE 471 engine, which is a 12.8-liter inline-six turbocharged beast. It produces an impressive 530 horsepower and over 2,500 newton-meters of torque, routed through an advanced 16-speed automated transmission and transferred to all six wheels through heavy-duty axles and locked differentials. Off-road, the Polar 6X6 is a monster. It can climb steep inclines, ford deep water, and handle heavy trailers without hesitation. Its suspension system features parabolic leaf springs and reinforced dampers that absorb even the worst terrain while keeping the cargo stable. Braking is handled by a full air brake system with ABS, and it features engine braking for better control during downhill descents. Fuel economy isn't exactly the main focus here, but for a truck of this size and power, the Polar 6X6 does a decent job thanks to optimized fuel injection and smart load distribution. It includes an auxiliary fuel tank system for long-distance operation in remote areas, making it ideal for mining, logging, or military operations. Now, let's talk price. The 2026 Sisu Polar 6X6 isn't a mass-market vehicle, so pricing will vary depending on customization and operational requirements. However, base models are estimated to start at around 210,000 to 230,000 euros, with fully outfitted versions pushing well beyond 300,000 euros depending on the modules, winch systems, and powertrain options. While that may sound steep, in the world of ultra-heavy-duty trucks, it's competitively priced considering its performance, build quality, and adaptability. In conclusion, the 2026 Sisu Polar 6X6 is a true machine built for professionals who demand the highest level of reliability and power. Whether you're hauling timber across frozen wilderness or transporting equipment in war zones, this is the kind of vehicle that gets the job done every time. If you're in the market for one of the most capable 6X6 platforms available in 2026, the Sisu Polar deserves to be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching All Auto Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth vehicle